Indian culture is one of the most ancient cultures present in the world. The country is quite diverse and is home to several communities, each of them having its own culture and traditions. It is this combination of various blended cultures that make India unique and incredible. Let us take a look at the cultures of different states of India.
Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is one of the states that aesthetically define India and its rich history that's as ancient as the time bomb. This is the land when great sages have emerged, religions evolved, and the two great epics of India, Ramayana and Mahabharata, have been inspired. Uttar Pradesh, known for its rich culture and tradition, is home to Ayodhya and Madura, the birthplace of Lord Rama, Lord Krishna, and Bhagwan Parashuram respectively. Uttar Pradesh attracts many national and international tourists every year.
Tamil Nadu. It is a southern state of India which is supremely rich in culture and heritage. Hinduism lies at the core of culture of Tamil Nadu. Among the most famous of the state temples are the 7th and 8th century structures at Mahabalipuram, which were designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1984. Bharatanatyam, one of the India's major classical dance forms, and Carnatic music are both widely practiced here.
Maharashtra. Maha means big and Rashtra means nation. Maharashtra is true Maha in its size, population and culture. The folk music and dances of Maharashtra are Koli, Povada and Banjara Holi dance. Maharashtra brings to mind a picture of a diverse state where people of different religions are staying in unison. People completely lose themselves in the gaiety of the festivities, especially during festivals such as Ganesh Chaturthi, Janmashtami, Diwali, etc.
God's own country. Kerala is indeed an ideal vacation spot and has also been called one of the paradises of the world. Kerala is known for its diverse cultural heritage, including its arts, cuisine, and dance forms. Kaikotikali is a famous dance performed by women of Kerala during festive seasons like Onam. Kathakali and Kali are two other dance forms. People of Kerala are mostly involved in agricultural activities, fishing, and animal husbandry.
Assam is one of the 8 sister states of northeastern India. Known for its rich culture and diverse population, Assam is called the land of red rivers and blue hills of India. Agriculture is the main occupation of the people in Assam. It accounts for 63% of the state's workforce. Assam's tea plantation forms 15% of the world's tea output.
Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. A combination of many cultures has formed the present-day culture of Andhra Pradesh because some great dynasties like Chalukyas, Vijayanagar and Mughals have ruled the region. Kuchipudi is one of the main art forms of the state, and it stands on par with all great global traditions of classical dance.
Development in defense.
INS Vikrant. It is our first indigenously built aircraft carrier. The ship is currently undergoing sea trials and will be commissioned into a naval fleet in 2022. Akash is a surface-to-air missile developed by our DRDO. It has the ability to neutralize various aerial targets such as cruise missiles, ballistic missiles, fighter jets, etc. BrahMos is a supersonic cruise missile being developed by our BrahMos Aerospace. It is the world's fastest anti-ship cruise missile.
सारे जगह से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा.
स्वराज्य हा माझा जन्मसिद्ध अधिकार आहे आणि तो मी मिळवणारच.
என் தாயின் கருவறையிலிருந்து சுதந்திரமடைந்த மறுநொடி என் மண்ணின் சுதந்திர காற்றை சுவாசிக்கிறேன். இந்த சுதந்திர காற்றை சுவாசிக்கச் செய்த மண்ணின் தலைவர்களுக்கு என் நன்றி.
Where the mind is without fear and head is held high, into that heaven of freedom, my father, let my country awake.
আমি সংকট ও বিপর্যয় ভয় পাই না, আমি কষ্টের দিনও দৌড়াবো না, তবে এগিয়ে যাব এবং ভোগান্তি সহ্য করব.
വ്യക്തി മരിക്കും, ആശയം മരിക്കുന്നില്ല.
remember that he or she is an Indian and has every right in this country,
but with certain duties.